Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CAD NEST. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel.
Under CAD I'll be going for part design environment. So in this video we are going to see about how to add multi-section commands and also how to remove multi-section solids. So let us see how to use these two. In order to use multi-section command, I'll be drawing two sections. For that, I'll be going for sketch. On the base plane, I'll be drawing a simple curve that is like this, exit, and I'll be taking one reference plane over here. And I'll be drawing one more. In order to go for reference plane, we have reference elements here. That is, under reference elements, we have three types. That is point, line, and then plane option. Here I'll be taking a reference plane. Go for reference plane and select a plane which you want. Say I want this horizontal plane. Click on this and you'll be specifying the offset distance. Say I'll be taking it as 150 mm. Give it as OK. Now you can see at a 150 mm offset distance, one more plane have been created. So I'll be taking sketch on top plane. Here I'll be drawing one more section. Go for exit. Now you can see my bottom section is at a different dimension and also my top section is also at different dimension. In order to connect these two sketches and make a solid thing, we go for multi-section solids. Multi-section solids, the name itself says there are two different sections. For that we go for multi-sections. Here we will be selecting a sketch, that is my base sketch and also my top sketch. And one more thing you should observe here is the closing point and then the direction should be same. If I give it as preview, now you can see your structure has been created. But if your arrow direction is different, say I'll be double clicking on this. If I go for preview now you can see a twisted feature will be created like this. But this is not what I want, right? So I'll be double clicking on this arrow mark. Now you can see a structure will be created properly. So the main thing is you should look at the closing point and also the arrow marks. So if you want to replace the closing point, then you can right click on this. Then here you can remove or replace your closing points. Then give it as OK. Now you can see your multi-section solid has been created. So in order to remove the multi-section solid, that is in order to remove in the same way as two different sections, we will be going for multi-section remove solid. If you want a uniform section, then you'll be going for normal pocket. If you want a section in the same fashion as a multi-section, you will be going for remove multi-section solid. So let us go for sketch. On the base plane, I'll be drawing a sketch. Say I'll be taking a circular sketch like this, exit, and also in the top plane also I'll be taking a sketch. Here also I'll be taking a simple circle. Exit, then go for multi-section, that is remove multi-section solid. Here I'll be selecting your curves, that is the base curve and then the top curve. Here also the closing point and then arrow direction should be same. Then give it as OK. Now you can see the material will be removed in a, here you can see your material will be removed in a multi-section way. That is in the top I have a smaller profile, at the bottom I have a bigger profile. So like this you will be using multi-section solid and then remove multi-section solid. So in the upcoming videos, let us see about dress up features. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.